Good morning guys, and guys, nagluluto po ako ng ginisang ampalaya. Ayan, lagay ko na po yung ampalaya. Ginisang ampalaya na may itlog. Ganyan. Ayan, halo-halo natin maigi ang ginisang ampalaya. Wait natin ng 10 minutes bago ilagay ang egg. Ayan. Ayan guys, ilagay ko na po yung egg. Ayan, sarap. Yummy yummy. Ampalaya with egg. Sarap. Sarap. Yummy yummy. Halo-halo natin. Egg. Sarap. Ampalaya with egg. Ayan guys, luto ng ating ampalaya. Luto ng aking ampalaya with egg. So, yummy yummy. Half cook lang guys. Pagkaluto. Pangit yung malata eh. Ayan, sarap. Yummy yummy. Creamy ampalaya with egg. Kasi malapot po siya. Tsaka maraming egg. Sarap. Yummy yummy. Thank you for watching. God bless you all. Bye-bye.